recording, Yuki. Where do you guys need Sakura to go? Because do I need to go that way or this way and I'm recording?
I get my boyfriend kind of for the night.
How do I zoom in? We're going around the universe. Come on, guys.
Are you stalker?
Yeah. I should totally stalker you on your first date.
If you're stalking, you'll never know I'm here.
It's recording.
Hi.
Hola.
Says hi.
Hola.
Quite rare for him.
I don't know. All you have to do is just stand there and be like, "What's up?"
I'm angry. Why?
Because Yuki.
Growing.
Yeah. No, Kaime took Yuki. Guys, I'm getting freezing cold here. And I don't think Tsunade needs to like unfreeze Sakura.
You okay?
Rock 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock rock, whatever rock, around the clock do that, we're gonna rock. I don't know the rest of that song. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock rock, 4 o'clock.
Hey, let's do the can-can!
Da 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 na 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 na. Da 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 na 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 na. Sakura's coming down there because you guys look tiny.
It's a matter of fact, it's a matter of fact, and his eyes are as red as the sun. Prisha!
Bottom slits, bottom slits.
I'm gonna have to crush you.
Hi, this is recording.
Yeah, I see that. Yo, what's up, yo?
I'm kind of glad you're that Kaime. No. What's that fish face name? Yeah, because that means you have a new nickname.
You can come join us here, you know. Join us! Yeah.
Yuki, you want me to stop recording? Your camera's getting all wet.
Don't record me, I'm putting my hands together. He's recording me putting my hands together. Brother, get some...
Oh, personal space.
Why does Hong Kong... Yeah, what? You invaded my personal space. No matter what, Japan could be a pimp. Everybody here, yeah.
Okay, should I like stop recording? It's getting all wet.
I'm gathering my nation. What now? I'm gonna walk away.
Somebody's actually being smart. Yay!
Yeah!
Where's she going?
Guys, this is human sundial. We're not human. We're close enough. We're not human.